Hey guys, welcome to Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to bake an orange cake. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell to get notified when I upload my contents. All that I'll be using to make my orange cake will be listed down in the description box, so you guys can just go there and check it out.
Java Beats exclusive.
Now here's my ingredients that I'll be using to make my orange cake. You're going to need 2 orange. You're going to need some cinnamon powder, some olive oil, some almond essence, some rose water, some vanilla essence. You're going to need some self-rising flour. You're going to need your eggs, and also you're going to need some brown sugar. And remember guys, all my measurement will be listed in the description box. Now I'm going to start off by cutting up my orange. But guys, before you cut up your orange, you want to make sure you rinse it off underneath the pipe. Rinse off any debris, any dirt from off the outside. Yes guys, because I won't be peeling off the skin. I'll be putting everything into my blender to blend it up. So you just want to go ahead, cut into half like that guys, and that half, you're going to cut it in again. Make sure you remove this white bit from out of it and remove the seeds. Guys, you don't want to blend up your seed inside of your blender, so you just want to remove that. And just go ahead and dice that again. So that guys, just add that straight to your blender. Same thing for the next one. So that guys, that's how you want to do it. Your blender. That half again. You're going to continue the procedure for the next orange. I'm going to do the same thing. You're going to just remove your cutting board. Now when you finish cutting up your orange, you're going to add your eggs in there. Same way into your blender. Just like that guys. I won't be using my cake mixer guys, I'll be using my blender to do the mixing. Then you're going to go ahead and add your sugar in. Here. After you finish putting in your sugar, you're going to add extra virgin olive oil. You're going to cover this up. You're just going to blend this about a minute or 2. So you're just going to blend this. Now here you have it guys. Finish blending up all my orange, that sugar, olive oil, yes guys, and those eggs, just like that. So you want it to be guys, look at that, just like that guys. I'm just going to put this to the side over here. Now you want to go ahead and get a basin with a strainer also, where you're going to pour within. guys. Just pour that straight into your basin there. Just like that, guys. Now you're gonna go ahead with your flour now. Add my flour to that now, guys. Self-rising flour. Also my cinnamon powder. I'm using about a teaspoon. Nice. I'm just want to give this a sieve now. Just like that, guys. I'm just gonna mix and fold this in now. Just like that. Just mix and fold it in. I'm telling you guys, this orange cake is so nice. You can have it with a cup of tea in the morning. If you want to have it for breakfast, it's up to you guys. It's so delicious, guys, I'm telling you. Look at that, guys. So you want your orange cake mixture to look like, just like that. Clean down the side with your spatula. All of that self-rising flour inside of your mixture, guys. Just mix it around. Now I'm going in with my vanilla essence. And remember, I told you guys all my measurement will be in the description box. My rose water. Also my almond extract. You're just gonna mix in those spices into your mixture now. Wow, I want to smell it already, guys, and it's not in the oven. You can smell that orange kicking out of that mixture. It's smelling so nice, guys. Especially when I just put those spices in there. Bring out the orange smell, guys, I'm telling you. Let's give this a taste now. This is what it tastes like. This, guys. Perfect. That, guys, looking so beautiful. Look at that. I'm telling you guys, I just taste it and it's tasting so nice. Now, guys, you just want to go ahead and preheat your oven on gas mark 6, 200 degrees Celsius. You want to preheat it for about 2 to 3 minutes before you place your orange cake inside of your oven. Yes, guys. Now I'm just going to pour this out into my baking tray, guys. I've already put in my parchment paper and also grease it. Yes, guys, as you can see, grease the sides and also put in my parchment paper and also grease the top of my parchment paper, guys. And I'm just gonna throw in my mixture inside of this now. Guys, wow. Can't wait till this finish, guys. Let's have a slice of it. Instead of using the round baking tray, guys, I use my loaf tin. So guys, now guys, give this a shake, get the air popping out of it. Now my oven is preheated. I'm just going to place this inside of it now. Now you just want to leave this in the center of your oven for about 45 to 50 minutes. And I'll get right back to you guys when that's all finished baking. Now guys, I've removed my orange cake from the oven after that 50 minutes. Now it's time for me to make a glaze to glaze the top of it. Yes guys, you will need an orange, some honey, butter. I'm just using half of this orange, guys. I'm just going to use the juice from it. Just like that, guys. Just going to juice that orange. When you finish juicing that orange, I'm just going to throw it in this little thing here just to make my glaze. So that, guys. I'm going to use a tablespoon of this honey. Also about a teaspoon butter. You really need enough butter in it, guys. So that's a teaspoon. Now I'm just going to pop this into the microwave for about a minute just to melt my butter inside of this orange juice and the honey. Yes guys, and I'll get back to you when it's all finished. Now here is my glaze after removing it from my microwave. Guys, now I'm just you're going to get yourself a brush and start to glaze your orange cake. Yes guys, just like that. You want to do it while it's warm so your cake can absorb all of that honey and butter and that orange juice that you just made. Yes guys. There you have it, guys. Now you're just gonna leave this to cool with a glaze on top of it for about 15 minutes before you remove it from your baking tin. Now after that 15 minutes of leaving my orange cake to cool, now it's time to remove it from my baking tin. Yes guys, just put it aside with my plate. Now here you have it, guys. I'm just gonna remove this paper from it, just like that. That, guys, that's what I'm talking about. So you want to bake your orange cake at home for you and the family or for yourselves, guys. It's so simple and easy to make with all those ingredients that I show you guys. Now I'm just going to cut this now, guys, and let you see the texture of it. Just turn my plate around. Like that, guys. See, guys, all moist. Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. Looking like a beauty. I'm telling you, it's all moist. Yes, guys, that's how you want to bake your orange cake at home for you and the family or yourself. It's good to go with a cup of tea, guys. It's so nice, guys. I'm telling you, tasting so magnificent. I have it already and it was so nice. Thanks for watching Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit me up in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this orange cake when you give it a try at home. Until next time, thanks for watching.